Hi, I'm Joey Morrow with the Gears program, and this is Wild Facts, where the facts are wild. Sorry, the cats. Have you ever watched Netflix for like hours at a time? Binge watching your favorite show like Kissing Booth, Criminal Minds, 13 Reasons Why? I haven't found a reason to watch that, to be honest. But have you ever wondered what kind of effects does this actually have on you? Well, for starters, it's a stress reliever. Sitting around, doing nothing, watching Netflix with a plate of peach rolls, it's pretty relaxing. It's a definite pro. It also builds relationships. Say you're like in public talking about your favorite show, someone overhears you, they love that show too, boom, best friends. It takes an emotional toll. Say your favorite character that you really love dies. We've all been there. That emotion that we feel when that happens is equal to the same emotions we feel during a breakup. So it's a con. And this is the biggest. It takes up so much time. A lot of time. We're always telling ourselves one more, right? Well, instead of saying that, just limit yourself to 4. Just 4. No matter what happens, only watch 4. Anyway, I'm Joey Morrow. I'm with Gears, and this was a Wow Fact.